Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravity in Godot. First, we will set up our player scene using a kinematic body 2D node, which is perfect for character movement controlled by code. Then, we'll define a gravity vector to simulate the downward pull. This approach gives you precise control over how your character interacts with the game world, making your game feel more dynamic and responsive. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, create a new two-dimensional scene in Godot. The very first step is to add a kinematic body 2D node, which will serve as the foundation for our player character. Next, ensure you attach both a collision shape 2D and a sprite 2D as children to the kinematic body 2D. The collision shape 2D defines the player's physical boundaries, while the sprite 2D provides its visual representation. Remember to name your root node player for easy identification. Now let's add the gravity logic. Attach a new GD script to your kinematic body 2D node. Inside the script, declare a variable for gravity, perhaps setting it to a value like 200 units per second squared. Within the physics process, delta function, which runs at a fixed rate, you will update the player's vertical velocity by continuously adding the gravity value multiplied by delta to velocity. Y. You simulate a constant downward acceleration, making your character fall realistically. Finally, to make our gravity effective and handle collisions, we'll use the move and slide function. This powerful method takes your calculated velocity vector and moves the kinematic body 2D, automatically detecting and responding to collisions with other solid objects in your game world. It's crucial for smooth and reliable character movement. You can fine-tune the gravity value and even add a jump force to achieve the perfect feel for your game's physics. Experiment to find what works best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.